This is team 25, and here is our Arduino project. It is a system that detects whether you are hanging clothes outside or not, and it also detects whether it is raining and whether the humidity is too high for your clothes to dry. If it is raining, then the system will automatically pull out a shade to block the rain, and if it is if the humidity is high, it will alert the user that humidity is high and they should put the clothes inside or put it into a dryer. This system has a website for controlling and displaying data, which and the data are stored in a real-time database called Firebase. And here's the data structure. So I'm going to give you a run-through of our system. So Ripki, can you turn on your sonic sensor? So on Ripki's end,
turning on.
Yep. On Ripki's end, we have a sonic sensor which detects whether there are objects in front of the sensor or not. In this case, it's detecting clothes, whether clothes are being hanged or not. Yep. Keep it true, Ripki. And then on yeet's side, we have a humidity and temperature sensor, which is DHT11. It sends the two value to the database, and it is shown on the website. And
the humidity sensor is on the threshold. Sorry.
And as for me, I have the rain sensor, which is over here. If I put some water on it, it will detect that it is raining. And the shade status is compiled by Jason's Raspberry Pi, where it will collect all of the data of the current clothes hanging status, the raining status, and the humidity. If the humidity is too high, then it will go into alert mode. If it is raining, then it will go into on mode, which is like turning the shade on. And if it's both raining and has high humidity, it will go into high alert mode. And in this high alert mode, it's just turn on both the shade and the alert at the same time. And if the clothes hanging status is false, it will turn off the shade and turn off the alert as well. Ripki, can you turn it off?
Off right now.
Yep. And it will go from high alert to off, as you can see. And this website is actually real time, as you saw just now, and the update interval is 1 second. We also have this control page where we can control the threshold of each sensors. Ricky, can you turn it on again? Yeah. So here we have the humidity threshold.
The sensor on.
Yeah, we have the humidity threshold. It is in percentage metric, and normally I would put it at 70%. But for the sake of demonstrating the high alert mode, I put it at 50. But here, for example, if I put it to 80, it will not go into high alert mode anymore, just on mode, because the humidity is not over 80. Yep. And for example, I can also turn the rain threshold from 750 to like some other value. And these value all have the min and max. I've noted them down here. And lastly, there's this button that can be used to toggle on or off the system. If it's off, then the shade status will always be off. If it's on, then it's just on. You can also change this threshold, change this status in the threshold value display in the control page. And as for this is the website code. If you want to have a look at them, they are attached in the attachments.